Hi, I'm Karl at Freewheel Bike, and today we're going to be building Dave a new fat bike wheel. We've got the Whisky number 9, super wide fat bike, double wall, carbon, tubeless ready rim we're going to use. And we've got a Ho 2 Evo Fatsno 12 by 177 through axle pump. We're using stainless steel, double butted, 2.0, 1.7 Bill Smith spoke planks that we cut on a Hillwood spoke machine. I'm using plain old brass nipples for corrosion resistance in the winter. And note that the Whisky rims do use these nipple washers to spread the load of the nipple out on the carbon surface a little bit, so it's important that you use these. These also change the ERD measurement of the rim, so you have to factor this in if you measure the ERD. You can probably use the manufacturer's spec, but I like to check it just to make sure. And theirs seems correct for this. There you have it, folks. Go get rad, Dave.